Today I'm going to try my hand at machining. I'm going to make this part for my drill press. I bought this cross slide vise for my drill press to try to kind of experiment, see if it's something I would want to get into. Normally a drill press is for drilling straight down, but I've got these sort of end mills that will sort of shave material off sideways and front ways. I've got this high density plastic. I don't think my drill press would stand up to metal. If I get good at this and I continue on, I can eventually get like an actual metal mill. But for right now, this will do. So the thing I want to do for my drill press is I want to be able to lock it down. It goes up and down, but if I want to lock it and then do a cut, like forward or backwards, I have to kind of hold it in place. Or I need to raise the table all the way up, but that's not very convenient. So it has these screw down things that limit it from going down, but it doesn't hold it in place. So I'm gonna try to make a piece that will fit on right here that I can like tighten down and then hold it right where it is. So let's see what happens. It kind of works. Does what it needs to do, locks the drill press down so that I can keep it in a constant spot. For my first machine part, I would say that is a success. Still have a lot to learn. That's all I got for this week. See you next time.